Hailuo AI is going just amazing. Now you can control camera movements with consistent character. Now you can make ultra-realistic videos with the same face. Just look at these videos. It's going to change the whole game of the video generation. Don't miss this. First, go to Hailuo AI. Sign up with your Google account, and you can see the interface. Click on Create. Here you get the prompt box with different features of video generation. Image to video, text to video, and subject reference, which means you can make consistent character videos, which is really outstanding. But let's try the first text to video. I gave a simple prompt. A woman wearing a black overcoat and sunglasses and walking in a Tokyo street at night. And I got this result. The video is pretty good, but it looks like reverse motion. So this is an error. Let's try another one on Quick Way. Okay, this is pretty good. You can see the prompt accuracy and its decent movement. I generated a lot of videos, which are incredible. Look at this. I gave prompts about luxury mansions with supercars. And it amazingly worked. The camera movement is so realistic, like a drone cinematic shot. Now look at this one. A pink car in the street and a girl is walking. The motion is slow. Because I gave prompts for slow motion, and it really worked nicely. Look at the other slow motion video of a lion. It created perfect detailing. And here a girl with snow falling. That's amazing. In that video, a girl in Paris is having coffee. It looks very cinematic, like it was taken from any Hollywood movie scene. So all the creation is undoubtedly outstanding. Now I will show you how to make consistent character videos. So before it, we need characters. So I generated some images. And now let's import it here. And I created video prompts from Gemini for better quality. And paste it here. Now let's generate. Wow, it's wonderful. You can see its accuracy and the camera movement. Impressive. Now lastly, let me show you the new feature, which is camera movement. So I write the prompt, a man is walking to New York City in the evening wearing a black coat and hat. And click here to see camera motion. Here you can see many templates of camera movement like right circling, upward tilt, downward tilt, and many more. I chose the right walking, and let's see how it aligns with the video. This is pretty cool. How natural the movement is. The man is walking so perfectly. This AI tool is insane for making AI videos. You must check it out. Link in the description. And subscribe for more AI videos.